Platypus viewing platform. I doubt if you can see any platypus today. Yeah. Platypus viewing. Platypus viewing, but yeah, I'm not sure if we're gonna see one today, but yeah, just it's all good. Platypus walks.
Are we going?
No, no.
Okay.
Platypus. Looking for platy. Bloody. So there's none. I think they come out at night, right?
I don't know.
So I'm not sure. We just wish there's one here. It just make us feel happy.
Let's just go for like 5 minutes.
Okay, let's go. We saw a platypus! We saw! No, we didn't. We should be here at dawn or dusk. They'll be coming out because they're shy. Just like me. Just like the crocodiles back in somewhere there. So they're shy. Of course they're shy. And yeah, off to the next destination. Yeah. Falls, no downs. Eacham Falls. But when my sun is look good. So yeah, there's the falls just in front of us. That's like a dam. So it can go down, go in front of the falls. So falls behind me. The falls, just that. Just like a dam. I don't know. Cool. So yeah, the falls is just like a dam. Just across the bridge. It has a deck for swimming. So done with the Melanda Falls, just near the street, near the parking lot. We'll go to the next one. Today is gonna be like Amazing Race Day.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah, I just want to say it. And up to the next one. Platypus viewing on this and here. Yeah. So we just go around there.
Departures. Departures. Have early departure.
I don't know. We'll see. We'll go. Heading to Milao Falls, and yeah, we're here now. You're gonna be the vlog. Yeah, currently in Milao Falls right now, and yeah, do it again. Currently at Milao Falls today, and there are lots of people here. But trying to get some footage of the falls and me, so we're all good. Yep, nice. So yeah, we're heading back to the car now. Done with this falls is Milao Falls. And yep. Here. Is it here? I think so. So yeah, that's it. A lot of them just chilling. Chill. So these are water buffaloes here. And yeah, in the Philippines we call them carabaos. But yeah, it's water buffaloes here. They all post. They're looking at me like food. Shit. Look at them. Look at them. They're looking at me like food. Oh my goodness. They're gonna ram me. Ninja Falls. Oh, what's this thinking? Ninja Falls. Nope, it's just still here. Just around the corner. So this is Ilinja Falls. I don't know how to pronounce it, but that's how it was written. So off to the next one. Yep. So apparently I was mistaken. This is the Ilinja Falls, and the other one's the Ellie. Is it? Lily. Zili, sorry. The other falls was Zili Falls. This is Ilinja. So I got things mixed up. Okay, let's go down and careful not to fall. Finally, Ilinja Falls here. We're heading back to the car now. We're done. Take photos. Yeah. Getting the bugs from the car. Those bugs that stuck. Good job, chickens. Good job. Look at that camper. Awesome camper. Camper. Look at that shit. That's so big. Ay, nako. It's quite so blown out. So lighting's not good today, but either way we're here, so it's good enough. Yeah. So blown out, you won't be able to appreciate the drop, the falls. But we're all good now. We're all good. So we caught the falls on bad lighting. It's really blown out. It would have been nice if it's done in the afternoon when it's not so blown out, but we don't have time for that. Yeah, there's a rapids below, but we're good with it. We're gonna go to the next location. So, yeah, it's the nth waterfalls for the day. And yeah, I'll be all driving all night. Meals on the way. They look so cool. So some freaking windmills over here. It's kind of windy now, but we'll try to fly. Yeah, we'll try to fly.